Welcome everyone to Owen Allen Media. Cristiano Ronaldo recently met with Mr. Beast for the first time and the two bonded over their record-breaking achievements. During their conversation, Mr. Beast, the most subscribed YouTuber in history, shared his insights with Ronaldo on how to grow his YouTube channel and build his presence on the platform.
Of course, yeah.
What do you think?
Obviously, you're still a professional football player and you have a lot going on, so I think you're doing your best. I think your greatest asset is anyone will film with you, so you could have so many cool collabs, kind of like this one. Like, I should have Tom Brady pop in for a video, Speed, you should have like all these big names, you know? And also, something easy for you would be like, after a big game, if you just hopped on the mic and like did a 5-minute podcast where you talked about it, like that'd be super low lift. But so many people would want to know, what do you think, you know? Or yeah, I mean, his team's back here, so I'm also looking at them like, bro, could you imagine if Ronaldo did a video reacting to his 10 greatest goals? You know how crazy that would be? Like you know that goal where you did the bicycle kicks? I've seen that at least 100 times. I would love to know what you were thinking when you just decided to bicycle kick the fucking soccer or football, you know what I mean? Like, that would be great. So like, I don't think it has to be like hard stuff. Like I would just do more football-related things because that's why we love you, you know?
Mr. Beast also reminded Ronaldo that he holds the record for the most viewed video within 24 hours on YouTube. Mr. Beast is set to drop another video with him and Ronaldo soon. Could this video with Mr. Beast and Ronaldo beat the 70 million views within 24 hours? Let's see.
Yeah, we did. Oh, yeah, this video is the one that broke the internet. This is the most viewed video on YouTube in 24 hours. So no video in the history of YouTube has gotten more views than this in 24 hours. So we grabbed all the biggest YouTubers on the planet and we put them in a big cube. Wait, let me find a wide shot. So these are all really, really famous creators. Like your kids would know all of them. And I'm trying to find a good shot. It's just, we built a huge cube, put them in there, and then said whoever left last will give one of your subscribers $1 million.
Oh, okay.
And so like it'd be like the equivalent of getting like the 50 biggest football players and putting them in a room and then like having them do something. So it like broke the internet. That video got 70 million views in 24 hours and people loved it.
Good. Do you like other sports?
Alright, so that's the video for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.